Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Eric with Legis Truck Center up in Hartford. Right now, I'm with Scott Black at Sanitary Equipment. We want to do a little videotape for you today on how to not break your hook lift system for all you junk luggers out there. We're going to go over about 3 things right now on the proper usage of the tarp when it's out of balance. We're also going to talk about this little intricate part down here that I want you to show them the proper sequence.
The locking tabs.
The locking tabs, okay?
Yeah.
And this is very important because most of the phone calls we get if something's wrong is because of the locking tab sequence. Is that correct?
Yep. And a lot of you probably recognize my face because I FaceTimed many of you. If you do snap these tabs that we're about to get into, don't feel bad about yourself. Literally every franchisee has done it.
And Scott's also going to show you how to fix it. It's a very simple fix, right?
Very simple.